Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video we will see few another types of matrix. The next one is Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. So in Hermitian matrix, suppose A is a Hermitian matrix, then its transpose conjugate matrix will be A theta, that is transpose conjugate of A will be known as A theta, will be represented by A theta, so A will be A theta. So this is the condition for Hermitian matrix. So from example, suppose A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, so element will be, suppose A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and the last one is A31, A32, A33. So this is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So its conjugate matrix will be A bar, and each entries will be A11 bar, A12 bar, A13 bar. The next row will be A21 bar, A22 bar, A23 bar, and the next row, that is third row, will be A31 bar, A32 bar, A33 bar. So this is the order of 3 cross 3 matrix. Now just find the transpose of this equation 2. Suppose this is equation 2, this is equation 1. So transpose of A conjugate, that is A theta matrix, which is given by, we have to convert this row into in this column. So this will be A11 bar, A12 bar, and A13 bar. The next row is this. Now we have to convert this row into this column here. So this will be A21 bar, A22 bar, and A23 bar, and the third one is A31 bar, A32 bar, and A33 bar. So if A is a Hermitian matrix, then suppose this is equation number 3. So if A is an Hermitian matrix, so A is equals to A theta, that is, if we take from equation 1 and equation number 3, so this will gives, so A will be equals to, A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and this is A31, A32, and this is A33, which is equals to, this is matrix A, which is equals to transpose conjugate matrix, that is equation number 3. So this will be A11 bar, A21 bar, A31 bar, A21 bar, A12 bar, A22 bar, A32 bar, and next row is A13 bar, A23 bar, and A33 bar. So this is the order of 3 cross 3 matrix. And here, so both the matrix are equal. So in this case, the matrix is equal, the order will be same, and each element will be same. So in general, if we consider this matrix, if we consider the element, that is A23, which will be equal to A32 bar, so we can write here A23, which is equals to the bar of, that is complex conjugate of the element A32. So in general we can say, if A is a matrix of element ij of order n cross n, that is a square matrix of order n cross n. So Aij will be equals to Aj and the complex conjugate of Aj. So here you can see 2 is converted into 3 and this 3 is converted into 2. So row interchange into column and column interchange into row. So this is the condition for the element in a Hermitian matrix. Now how to find? Now we will see the example of Hermitian matrix. So A will be equals to 1, 2 plus 3i and 3 plus I. The next is 2 minus 3i and 2 and 1 minus 2i, 1 plus 2i. Sorry, this is 3 minus I, this is 1 plus 2i and this is 5. So this is a Hermitian matrix of order 3 cross 3, that is A is equals to transpose of its conjugate matrix. So here you can see the diagonal is real number. So in Hermitian matrix the diagonal will be real. So in general we can write A is equals to A bar transpose. So this is the condition for the Hermitian matrix and A will be a square matrix. A will be square matrix. Next is how we have to prove that how the diagonal element will be real. So as you know, as I told you, Aij is equals to Aji and its complex conjugate. Suppose Aij is equals to x plus iy. This is the general element of Aij. So its complex conjugate will be x minus iy this is the general. Now if we consider Aii, that is diagonal, which will be A plus IB. So its complex conjugate will be Aii ka bar will be A minus IB. So if we put here I is equals to j, that is diagonal element. So for the diagonal element I will be j. So Aii equals to Aii and its complex conjugate. So A plus IB is equals to A minus IB. So A and A is cancel out. So this will give 2IB is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. So in general you can see here the imaginary term, that is B, is 0. So Aii will be only A, that is Aii will be real. So we can say that in Hermitian matrix, the first condition is it will be square matrix. The next one is A is equals to its transpose of conjugate matrix, and the third one is diagonal element will be real. So this is the condition for Hermitian matrix. Now we are moving towards the next type, that is skew Hermitian matrix. The next type is skew Hermitian matrix. So in skew Hermitian matrix, A will be square matrix. Suppose A is a square matrix, that is Aij of order n cross n. So A is equals to the minus of conjugate of its transpose, that is transpose of A conjugate will be equals to minus of A. So the A will be, if matrix A satisfy this condition, then A will be skew Hermitian matrix. So we can say if A is a square matrix, then this matrix satisfy this condition, equation number 1, then we can say A is a skew Hermitian matrix. So in general we can say here, suppose A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So this will be A11, A12, A12, A13, and the next one is A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then its A theta, that is transpose of conjugate matrix, will be equals to, you can say this will be equals to, you can say here, conjugate of A11, conjugate of A12, conjugate of A13. Just write this row in here in column. So next row, that is conjugate of A21, conjugate of A22, conjugate of A23, and the next one is conjugate of A31, that is this row, conjugate of A32, conjugate of A33. So this is the transpose conjugate matrix of A. So the condition says, that is skew Hermitian condition will be minus of its transpose conjugate. So this will be minus of A transpose conjugate. So this will be equal. Now if we put, so we can write here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This matrix is equal to minus of A theta. So this will be minus of A11 bar, minus of A12 bar, minus of A13 bar. The next one is minus of A21 bar, minus of A22 bar, and the minus of A23 bar. The next column will be minus of A31 bar, minus of A32 bar, and minus of A33 bar. So this will be, these two matrix will be equal. Suppose this two matrix will be equal, the order will be same, and each element corresponding to next matrix element will be same. So in general we can say A13 is equals to minus A31. Suppose we consider, if we consider about this A13, so this will be equal to minus of A31. So in general we can write Aij, which is equals to, if 1 is replaced by I and 3 is replaced by j, then we can write Aij is equals to minus of Aj I and its conjugate. So this is the condition of each element. The matrix should be skew Hermitian. So this is the condition, that if each element of matrix satisfy this condition, then the matrix will be skew Hermitian matrix. So the example of skew Hermitian matrix, A is equals to I 2 minus 3i 4 plus 5i. The next will be minus of 2 plus 3i. This will be 0, this will be 2i, and minus of 4 minus 5i 2i, and this is minus 3i minus 3i. This is the order of 3 cross 3. If we saw here, you can see the diagonal element is either 0 or imaginary. So in skew Hermitian matrix, the diagonal element will be in skew Hermitian matrix. In skew Hermitian matrix, the diagonal element will be either 0 or pure imaginary. So now we are talking about how the diagonal element will be either 0 or purely imaginary. So now aim is how. If we consider the condition for skew Hermitian, that is aij, which is equals to minus of aji, that is element wise and its complex conjugate. So for diagonal, in the case of diagonal element I is equals to j, that is we can write aii is equals to minus of aii and its complex conjugate. So if we consider ai is equals to x plus iy, then aii, the complex conjugate of aii will be x minus iy. So aii is equals to minus of aii and its conjugate. So aii is equals to x plus iy, which gives minus of x minus iy. So x plus iy is equals to minus x plus iy. So this iy will cancel out, so we will get 2x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 0. So you can say here real part is 0. Real part is 0, then we can say that aii will be iy. This will be either imaginary or you can say purely imaginary, or you can say purely imaginary or you can say 0. So in case of skew Hermitian matrix, A will be square. Next one will be A is equals to minus of A theta, that is minus of conjugate of its transpose matrix, and the third one is diagonal element which is equals to either zeros or purely imaginary. So this is the condition for a matrix to be skew Hermitian. So this is the condition for a matrix to be skew Hermitian. Now we are talking about the next type of matrix, that is periodic matrix. Periodic matrix. If we consider A is a matrix, so if A to the power k plus 1 is equals to A, then the matrix should be periodic matrix, and the matrix should be periodic matrix, and its period will be K will be its period, K will be its period, and where K is positive integer, and K will be positive integer. So this is the condition for the periodic matrix. If we put K is equals to 1, that is A square is equals to A, then A will be known as idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. So this is the condition. If we consider K is equals to 1 in periodic matrix, then A square is equals to A. So this is the condition for idempotent matrix. Next is nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. So if we consider A is a matrix, if A to the power K is equals to 0, that is null matrix, then the matrix A will be nilpotent matrix, where 0 is O, that is null matrix of the order of A. If we consider A is the order of M cross N matrix, if we consider a matrix of order M cross M matrix, then the order of O will also be M cross M matrix, where K is positive integer, and K is known as the index of the nilpotent matrix. K is known as index of the nilpotent matrix. So this is the another type of matrix, that is nilpotent matrix. Now if we see the example, that is A is equals to AB B square minus A square and minus AB. So this is the matrix A. So A square will be A into A, that is AB B square minus A square minus AB. So this is equals to this, and this will be equals to AB B square minus A square minus AB. So if we multiply row by column, we will get 0 0 0 0. So this will be null matrix of order 2 cross 2. So we can say A square is equals to, we can say here A square is equals to 0, that is null matrix. So here K will be 2. So the index of nilpotent matrix will be 2. This is the index of nilpotent matrix, which is 2. The order is 2 cross 2 matrix. The next is equal matrix. As I told you, in equal matrix the order will be same and each element will be same. The last one is singular matrix. The last one is singular matrix. If we find the determinant, suppose A is a matrix, that is square matrix. Suppose A is a matrix that is a square matrix of any order, then we find its determinant value. If the determinant of A, that is determinant of A is equals to 0, then we can say A is singular matrix. A is singular matrix. So example is, suppose A is a square matrix, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So its determinant will be, determinant of A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 6. So just simply cross multiply, that is 1 into 6 minus 2 into 3. What we did here, that 1 into 6 multiply by 2 into 3, which gives 6 minus 6, that is 0. So here you can see determinant of A is equals to 0, then we can say A is singular matrix. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.